Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file returns using a withholding certificate. We'll start by clarifying what a withholding certificate is and why it's crucial for accurate tax reporting. Then, we'll walk through the simple process of completing the form correctly, ensuring all your financial details are properly accounted for. Finally, I'll guide you through the steps for successfully submitting your tax return, making the entire process straightforward and stress-free. A withholding certificate, often known as a Form W-4, is a document you provide to your employer. It tells them how much federal income tax to withhold from your paycheck. This form considers your filing status, dependents, and any other income or deductions. Completing it accurately helps ensure you have the correct amount of tax taken out throughout the year, avoiding a large tax bill or refund at tax time. When filing your return, first gather all essential documents, such as your W-2 form from your employer and any other income statements. Next, accurately transfer the information from your withholding certificate into your chosen tax software or paper form. Pay close attention to details like your filing status and the number of allowances claimed. Finally, conduct a thorough review of all your entries to ensure everything is correct before electronically submitting or mailing your completed tax return. To ensure a smooth filing process, avoid common pitfalls such as selecting the wrong filing status or miscounting dependents. Remember to update your withholding certificate whenever significant life events occur, like marriage, divorce, or the birth of a child, to reflect your current financial situation. Always retain copies of all your submitted tax forms and supporting documents for at least 3 years. This practice helps you stay organized and prepared for any future inquiries.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.